What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video of Laced by J5. As you can see, we have our next full wrap in the shop. This is a 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe in for a full wrap. Like I said, we're going a gloss dark gray metallic with this one. Should be a really nice high gloss finish. Pretty cool color. 08 Tahoe, like I said, the owner is looking to breathe some new life back into this vehicle. So he recently had a major tune-up. He recently bought brand new wheels for it. And the last step along this process is for us to wrap it and give it a fresh new look. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm not sure if you guys can tell on camera right now, but the vehicle does have some pretty extensive hail damage, especially on the hood area. It's pretty banged up, so we're actually going to replace this hood with a brand new one before we wrap it, as well as some dents and dings that are on the sides of the vehicle. We're going to have a PDR person, paintless dent repair, come in and remove those dents. That's not a service that we do ourselves, but we can outsource it if it's something that the customer needs. And so we're going to have somebody come in and smooth out the sides as well to make sure that the truck looks its best before we actually get started to lay the vinyl down on it. As well as those two things, the car also has some sun damage or paint damage, you know, just from sitting outside over the years. Like I said, it's an 08, so it's been outside for a while, and we've actually already started sanding to kind of smooth out and correct some of that clear coat fading and paint fading that was going on the vehicle. As long as it's smooth, we can wrap it, and so we're just smoothing it out before we get started. So stay tuned, should be an interesting project.
I just wanted to run it up, yeah. And I got the big truck, yeah. Caught the Jazz 200 on the dash. I was just speaking big facts. I ain't even signed a deal yet. I ain't even missed a meal yet. I'm eating good cause I'm still fake.
All right, so we're finally getting started wrapping the Tahoe. Like I discussed earlier on, there was a lot of work going into this one. We also had the windows tinted because the customer requested some new window tint, so 15% all the way around there. Oh, sorry, you can't see the windows. We have them down right now because we just pulled all the door handles and everything off in preparation for the wrap. But it's time to get started wrapping. Isaiah's already on the other side getting started on the front fender. I'm ready to start on the driver's side here. I'll try to set you guys up for a time lapse so that you can catch some of the wrap action actually going down. This color is made by Teckwrap. I can't remember the exact color name. I don't know, I'm sure Dash will put it down here or up here or something. But it's a dark gray metallic. The customer was really interested in that color. At first he thought about going black, but he said he really wanted to do a gray metallic. And we said, hey, do what you want. It's a wrap, go all the way with it, you know, get exactly what you want. So here we are, get ready to get started. So stay tuned. All right, so it's the end of day one of wrapping the Tahoe. We've had the vehicle in the shop for a few days now. As you know, we were getting some other work done on it before we actually got our hands on wrapping it. But we've now got both sides of the vehicle done. So fender, door, and quarter on both sides. So far, I'm enjoying working with the material. It's Teckwrap. It's not the first time we've used Teckwrap. We do a lot of Teckwrap vehicles. And so we know how to work this material. One great thing about this, it has a very, very high gloss finish to it. This is Teckwrap's Dark Platinum, and they actually sell this color in an HD version, which comes on a plastic backing paper for even higher gloss and even less orange peel. And this is a paper version, and it still looks really, really good inside the shop. So overall, the material is not too hard to work with, not too tacky, a little bit more tacky than your Avery or 3Ms, but for the most part, it's laying down really smooth, looks really good. I think the customer's gonna be really happy that he got those dents taken care of beforehand, so he can really take advantage of this nice, glossy, smooth look. It's gonna look like a whole new truck when he gets it back, and that's the idea. That's about it, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're nearing completion on the Tahoe. As you can see, we've got the new hood put on. It actually lines up really nicely for aftermarket hood. Sometimes those things can be hard to get them lined up and looking good, but this one worked out perfectly. Right now, we're just finishing some last minute reassembly. Isaiah is putting door panels back on right now. He just finished putting the roof rails on. And I just finished up putting the grill and some of the emblems back on the vehicle. So the last thing we have after all the reassembly is going to be wrapping this hood so it matches the rest of the vehicle, and then we'll be ready to get it cleaned up, get some cinematic footage, some nice pictures, and deliver it to the customer. So stay tuned, we're getting close. All right, guys, so there you have it. This 2008 Chevrolet Tahoe all wrapped up in Teckwrap Dark Platinum, gloss Dark Platinum that is. This film looks really good. I can't wait to see it out in the sunlight. Very high gloss, which is one of the benefits of using those calendared films like Teckwrap. The gloss really looks like paint once you see it outside. All in all, fun project. We've actually wrapped one of these before, and that's actually what brought this customer in to get his truck wrapped. So last year we did a 07 Tahoe in a satin dark gray, and this year we're doing this gloss dark gray or gloss dark platinum. All because the customer saw that video. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go watch it. Make sure you leave a thumbs up on that one. Come back, leave a thumbs up on this one. Drop some comments down below. Let us know what you enjoyed about it, what else you want to see moving forward. And until next time, it's Lace by J5 signing out.